Hello everyone, welcome to my channel World of AWS. I hope you all are doing good. So we are continuing with Terraform tutorial, and in this video we are going to discuss about lifecycle block in Terraform. So we have four meta arguments that we can use under lifecycle block. First one is the create before destroy. It will create the resource which it's going to destroy first. Okay, it will create the resource first, then after only it going to destroy the resource. Prevent destroy means it will not allow us to destroy any resources. So ignore changes, it will ignore the changes, whatever changes have been done manually. So replace triggered by, replace the resources when any of the reference item have been changed. Okay, so as you can see here, replace triggered by, replace the resource when any of the reference item have been changed. Okay, so suppose we are creating one EC2 instance and security group, and we are defining the lifecycle block under this EC2 instance. Okay, so whenever like anything, any parameter, any value getting changed in the security group, what it will do, this lifecycle will do, it will recreate the EC2 instance. So let's go and see these things practically. Okay, so I have main.tf and I have defined here the provider block. So what I will do now, I will create the security group. So let me define this security resource AWS underscore security underscore group, and the name I will use example underscore sg. Okay, and the name I will write example underscore sg. Sorry, I will keep e as a caps only. Okay, and then after that I am going to whitelist some port here. Okay, so I am going to define the ingress rule here. Okay, so let me remove this because I am going to define the multiple ingress rule. Okay, so from port 22, okay, to port and 22, and then after that protocol, that will be, sorry, double quotes TCP, and CIDR block, that will be (0.0.0.0.0/0). Okay, so remove the extra space. So let me copy this because I want to whitelist some more ports here. I will whitelist 443. Okay, so let's save this change, and now let's create EC2 instance AWS underscore instance. Okay, and I will give name as prod here, the local name, and the AMI ID I will grab it from AWS console, and instance type, that is t2.micro. Okay, so let's grab the AMI ID, click on launch instance and scroll down. Okay, so click on Ubuntu, as I am going to take example of Ubuntu AMI. So let's copy this AMI ID and paste it here. Okay, so let's save the changes, and now what we have to do, we have to define the life cycle meta argument here. So I will define life cycle, then replace triggered by, and as we are getting the option whenever we are changing anything in the security group. Okay, we are changing anything in the security group, the EC2 instance will get recreated. First it will get destroyed and then after that it will get created. Okay, so let's see these things practically. Okay, so it's just because we have defined the replace triggered by lifecycle meta argument under this block. Okay, and this reference triggered by meta argument is reference to AWS security group example underscore sg. Okay, so let's save this change, open the terminal, let's run terraform init. So now let's run terraform plan to see whatever resource our terraform configuration file is going to create. Okay, so as you can see, plan 2 to add, right. So what it will do, it will create one security group, okay, and it will create one EC2 instance. So let's run terraform apply with auto approve. Okay, so let's wait for few more seconds that our resources are getting created. So as you can see here, the security group is getting created first, then after that it will create the EC2 instance. Okay, so let's go and see it. So I am under EC2 console, and as we can see, one EC2 instance is getting initialized, right? This one, just we have created this. If I go to security groups, so as you can see here, example underscore sg security group is available here. Okay, so as you can see here, resources have been created already. So suppose if I want to add one more security group here, sorry, one more port. Okay, if I want to whitelist any of port like 8080 or something like that, so because of we are using the lifecycle meta argument replace triggered by, any of the changes have been made in the security group, what it will happen, it will destroy the EC2 instance and it will recreate the EC2 instance. Okay, so this is the main use case of replace triggered by lifecycle meta argument. So let's save this change. Okay, that we have whitelisted 8080 port. Okay, and let's go and see how many ports we have whitelisted here first. Let's confirm that. So as you can see, we have two port 22 and 443, right? So let's run terraform apply. So what it will happen here, it will first destroy the EC2 instance. Okay, then after that it will recreate the EC2 instance. Okay, as you can see, AWS EC2 instance prod destroying because of the life cycle meta argument that is replaced triggered by. Okay, so as you can see, AWS instance prod is still destroying. So let's go ahead and see this here. Go to the EC2 instances. As you can see, it's shutting down, right? And one new instance will get created with the same configuration. Okay, as you can see, AWS instance prod is still destroying, so it will take some time to destroy the resource and it will recreate the same resource with the same configuration, as we have defined the replace triggered by lifecycle meta argument under EC2 block. Okay, as you can see, now instance prod is getting created and it's modify the security group. So if we go to the security group now and refresh it, so as we can see here, custom TCP 8080 is already whitelisted here. Okay, and we have like EC2 instance is also got created. So let's refresh it. Okay, so as you can see here, one instance is in running state. Okay, so this is all about replace trigger by lifecycle meta argument. I hope you understand the concept, and if you have any query, any confusion regarding this video and topic, then do let me know in the comment section, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. And if you are new to my channel, then do check out my other playlist as well. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.